Good morning, friends. This morning elaboration is for everybody, and we are going to talk about knowledge without character is dangerous. See, as a matter of fact, character and knowledge are the heart and soul of an individual. Character and knowledge are the heart and soul of an individual. An individual acquires, knowledge through formal and informal education over the course of time. But what really matter, character is a set of inherited and acquired qualities which enables an individual to take rational decisions and makes him different from others. Yes, one acquires knowledge over the course of time through formal and informal education. Formal education is acquired through schools, colleges, and institutions. Informal education is acquired through families, friends, peer groups, society, and yes, and of course the communities. So, informal education is equally important. If the society is not in interaction with an individual, if the individual is isolated, if his upbringing is completely isolated, if he doesn't learn from his family, his friends, his peer group, and his communities, his education is always imperfect. So, a perfect education requires, you know, formal as well as informal education, and informal education is acquired through communities, friends, families, and society as a whole. The most important thing is that education empowers an individual and enables him to make rational decisions. As such individual is blessed with some or other talent and is a bundle of untapped potential. Every individual is blessed with some or other talent and is blessed with bundle of potentials. It is education which explores the hidden potential from an individual and makes him capable of doing productive work for the society. This is why education has an important role. It helps an individual to make the best use of his talent and capabilities. Education cannot, be restricted to an individual personal growth. It may inspire others to learn and act as a role model for many. In fact, education can be measured in terms of the number of educated individuals in a society. The moral values lay down foundation of a strong character. A person with a high moral values may attain his short term, a person with a less moral values may attain his short term goal, but in the long run he will be a failure. Therefore, it is important to inculcate moral and ethical values in each and every individual. The real education requires moral and ethical values. That is the reason why nowadays what is happening, the present generation is quite unaware of the need of exhibiting moral and ethical values. You see, in the recent pandemic, we have seen that the people, when the people are dying at one hand, on the other hand, the hoarders are hoarding the oxygen cylinder, and they are the important medicine, life-saving medicines, and they are making money out of that. That is lack of character. They might be educated, they may be you know bookish, they may be knowledgeable, but their education is of no use because they are not making the best use of their mind and soul for the benefit of the people. At the time of crisis, they are taking advantage of the innocent people. So this clearly shows that they have not got the real education. They have no character. So it is important that education must emphasize on building character, building, moral and ethical values, because that will lay down the foundation of a strong and high rated society. A person without moral and ethical values may attain, success in the short term, but in the long run he will be a failure. So the children should be indulged in, character building. This is the reason why nowadays what is happening, because of the, this faulty education system, children at the earliest stage indulge in themselves in, crime and sexual activities. They are not aware of the fact that these are the things which are not meant for them. Their character building is more important. The fact that the rate of, crimes among the teenagers is increasing due to this, lack of moral and ethical values. See, the moral values and virtues of the society play an important role in the character building of an individual. Over the time, there has been a decline in the values. We must remember that the character development and education need to go hand in hand. Character development and education must go hand in hand. So education must emphasize on the, aspect of building a strong character among the individual. There are the moral values which will help them to succeed in the long run. The purpose of education should be to develop a child's instinct in a manner that he should be naturally inclined to do good for the society. He should not be compelled to do good. He should be naturally inclined. The way of the child's moral and ethical values should be developed through education in such a way that the child should be naturally inclined to do good for the society. And therefore, character development and education should go hand in hand. If effective education must include a curriculum that teaches the students respect and moral and ethical values for the society. The education should strive to develop students' instinctive motivation and commitment to do what is right. All, teachers, parents, and the society as a whole should take up the responsibility of making the teenagers, respect the seniors, respect the society, respect the nation's, demand. And so the way this should be taught, the curriculum must include certain, aspect of practical, moral and ethical values, which should be a part of their day-to-day learning. So it, apart from giving them formal education, it is important that they should have an informal education from their family, friends, society, communities, and they should be made to understand the importance of building character. Because once an individual is strong character wise, nation will be strong character wise, and there will be no corruption, there will be no, misuse of power in the society, and that is what is needed for education. Therefore, education and character should go hand in hand. That is what I wanted to emphasize upon. Thank you. Have a nice day.